Okay, okay. So what do you do? Like, you said you do 10 minutes each class?
Yeah, because the I am very swamped. My schedule it is very busy, and
Uh,
that's why I didn't get very free time. But in the morning as well as evening is not possible. That's I'm just back to my college. I'm very tired, and that's why I'm not to use that time in the evening, but in the morning also to use.
okay. What about the weekends on Saturday and Sunday?
In the Saturday is the full day in my here college academic because the paper is also starting, and holiday it is free.
Okay, so Sunday you are free to take a longer class.
Longer class.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Yeah, I think the longer is better. I think short classes are not useful.
Short class is not useful, I know, but I didn't get a very free time. That's why I'm to just make a short class.
Hmm. Okay, so do you have 30 minutes a week or 1 hour a week to practice English on Cambly?
I'm just half hour most of the time.
Okay, so you do 30 minutes a week, your subscription.
Mhm.
Hmm. Okay, okay. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. So what do you think about Cambly?
I think it is very great platforms to meeting all over the world to native speaker in here, and I
Hmm.
wanna is also become future to English fluency coacher because I'm really fascinated about the English, and it is process happen, but I know for it is just not be a quick happens means be a patient is also because the language it is a just language, and
Yeah.
because for so many peoples they wanna to English learning. Most of the Indian people they can't speak because they only what do you say that on the grammar focus, and because the grammar content it is the very large amount that part it is not too over for our uh, life, and without grammar you also speak English little by yes. I am not saying that
Yes.
grammar is very important, it is also important, but first beginning you are to speak only just practice English, not to focus on the grammar, and that's why I wanted to become without grammar to speaking the English.
Okay, I understand. I understand.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Hmm. So what do you think about the tutors on Cambly?
What? Could you
What do you
repeat
think
again?
what do you think about the tutors?
Yeah, it is. I'm a lot of uh, tutors to meet, and their accent as well as new things because different have different personalities, different ideas to style of the different to learn teaching the English. And yes, it is very good. And whenever I to meet any person's tutor to give a unique something that I misunderstanding for the grammar as well as how to because they are also suggest to me yes it is might be very difficult language, but I think in the I see in the last for my performing the English it is not good enough. I'm to still now to speaking, but right now it is very well to enhance myself.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. And do you prefer American English or British English?
I think most of the American English. I listen to content American podcast as well as so many things I'm to listening as well as pronunciations.
Hmm. Okay, okay. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, I think American English is easier to understand than British English.
Hmm.
Hmm. Yeah. British English is very difficult to understand.
Yes, it is understand for very difficult as well, but American it is prepares to most of the student as well as people.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so at your school, does at your school you teach, does everyone speak English? What is the first language at your school?
Uh, in there, my English academy is that English Academy. Most of the there means not any language. My Marathi language is there also one subject, my native language.